what happens if PowerQuery doesn't understand that it's a date? So here we've got some dates, and this on my computer should work. Day, month, year, it should work. Let's go into data, get it from a table or range. The first thing you'll see is that we've got a little ABC here. Data type is text. This should immediately be a warning, because it means that for some reason PowerQuery couldn't figure out a date sequence, even though these look like dates, and so it's decided to call it text. But perhaps we can just change this to date. So let's go and change our type, and we're going to make it date. Do you want to replace the current? I'm going to say replace the current, because I don't want it to be forced to be text. What you'll see is that it said, okay, it's made it a date. Let's put these in. But of bigger concern is that the last two is telling us are errors. Now this is very important, because what it's saying is it's looking here and it's saying it doesn't understand what 14/12/2009 is, even though it seems to understand, for example, 11/12/2009. The reason it's not understanding it is because in its mind it has decided that these dates must be month, day, year. So these are wrong because it doesn't understand what the 14th month is. But probably of more importance is that these here are also probably wrong, because the only way it can make an error here is if it assumes that that 11 is the 11th month. So it has assumed that the format it's going to use is that this is the 11th month, 12th day, so the 12th of November 2009. But just by the sequence of this data, I can see that it should actually be the 10th of December, 11th of December, 12th of December. So when you have error messages here, don't only fix those. Check that these are making sense as well, because it will try to be consistent. If it says that's a month and therefore an error, it's also assuming that that must be the month.